English 3 by Blanca Juliet Quilindo Guarin, June 2019. Hi, my name is Blanca Juliet Quilindo Guarin. I am 35 years old. I was born in Popayán City. I have a girl. She is 10 years old. Her name is María José García. I am a public accountant since 2006, and I am currently doing my degree work in UNAD to apply as a Magister in Administration of Organization. I work as boss of human talent in an urban transport company in my city. Caldas Park. Where is Caldas Park located? Caldas Park is located in the sector of downtown Popayán, being this a touristic place and historical heritage of the world. What can you do there? In this place you can go for a walk and sit down on its colonial benches, reflect, get a photo with an old camera from the local photographers, or drink a good coffee in one of its typical shops located around the whole park. When do you visit this place? I visit it when I want to be in a peaceful place, but especially in the Holy Week, Christmas, and when there are special events there. Do you like Caldas Park of Popayán? Yes, I think it a beautiful place surrounded by all a colonial infrastructure, especially the cathedral, and it's full of history and heroes of our country like presidents and poets. Also, it has ancient trees and doves that are part of this place. How often do you visit this place? I don't visit this place frequently because I live and work in the north of the city. However, every time there is any special event, I always assist. Teachers and classmates, I invite you to come and visit this beautiful place. I wait for you soon. Bye. Thank you.